So, you're after a trailer? Well, you've come to the right place.
Here at Ifor Williams Trailers, we've got a trailer for just about everything. Starting with the hydraulic tipper range, this one's rated to 3.5 tonne. Built tough, built to last, ideal for moving loads from site to site.
For those serious contractors that rely on their gear every single day, the Ifor Williams plant range comes in a range of different sizes, configurations, and is ready for any job.
And for our iconic horse floats, they look great, they're safe, easy to use, and they last a lifetime. Ifor Williams have been building trailers for decades. Every hinge, every weld, every bolt built to last. It's the attention to detail that's kept Ifor Williams trusted by customers for generations.
You can explore the full range of trailers online. Trailers, genuine parts, accessories, and even order what you need straight from our site. The best part? We deliver anywhere you need it.
Behind every trailer is a team who takes pride in what they do. Real people working hard to keep you moving. At Ifor Williams Trailers, we're proud to give Kiwis access to world-class trailers, built right and built to last.
So get in touch today and we'll get you sorted.